The current vaccines to COVID-19 are safe and effective, and they're quite good at preventing hospitalisation and serious disease. But the challenge is that as the virus continues to mutate, these vaccines become less and less effective at preventing infections. And we've already seen this with the emergence of the Omicron variant, and this is likely to become even more prevalent as new variants emerge in the future. So this means that the vaccines need to be constantly updated, but it means that it leaves the Australian society vulnerable to waves of infections before new vaccines can be released. So our research takes a bit of a different approach, that we're aiming to make a vaccine which would actually target regions of the virus where the virus can't mutate. And so this means the antibody protection that you would have against COVID-19 would be effective not just against the current strains of the virus, but also future strains that would emerge. So here at Garvan, we have a unique set of skills. We have the antibody and B-cell biology experience that really began from a number of different fields, but we've now evolved into understanding how the immune response specifically targets these regions of the SARS-CoV-2 virus that the virus can't mutate. So this unique skill set that we have at Garvan is unparalleled elsewhere in the world, and this will allow us to both develop and test this vaccine in a manner that couldn't be carried out elsewhere. I think it's really important to stress that the SARS-CoV-2 and COVID-19 pandemic is not over. What we've seen is that new variants of the virus will continue to emerge. We don't know when, but once they happen, it's going to be too late to try to develop and roll out a protective vaccine. So what we need to do is hope that we can develop a universal vaccine that could be rolled out prior to the new strain developing. And that's why it's really urgent that we start this research now, before these new strains develop.